In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert checkboxes in bulk in Google Sheets. If you're working with long lists or managing tasks across hundreds of rows, adding checkboxes one by one can be painfully slow. The good news is Google Sheets makes it easy to insert them across a large range all at once, and I'll walk you through the cleanest, most reliable way to do it. First, decide exactly where you want your checkboxes to live. It's best to insert them into an empty column or an empty block of cells because turning cells into checkboxes will replace any existing content in those cells. If you need to preserve your data, add a new column first and use that for the checkboxes. Now select the range. Click the first cell in your desired area. For example, if you want your checklist to start in A2 and run all the way down, click A2 to place your cursor there. To grab everything from that starting cell to the very bottom of the sheet, press Ctrl plus Shift plus down arrow on Windows or Command plus Shift plus down arrow on a Mac. You'll see the selection extend through the entire column to the last row. If you also want multiple columns, first drag to include the columns you need, then use the same shortcut to extend the selection down. This approach is much faster and far less error-prone than scrolling. With your range highlighted, go to the top menu, click Insert and choose Checkbox. Google Sheets will instantly convert every selected cell into a clickable checkbox. That's it, your bulk insert is complete. If you make a mistake or select too much, don't worry, you can press Ctrl plus Z or Command plus Z to undo and try again with a tighter selection. A few quick tips to make the most of this. Each checkbox cell evaluates to a logical value. Checked equals true, unchecked equals false. That means you can sort, filter, and build formulas based on whether items are checked. For example, you can filter to show only checked rows, or use conditional formatting to highlight completed tasks. If you ever need to remove checkboxes but keep your range selected, go back to Insert an unchecked checkbox or clear the cells. Lastly, try to keep your checkbox column adjacent to the data it controls, like next to task names or item descriptions. That way it's easy to scan, easy to filter, and easy to analyze later. And that's the fastest way to insert checkboxes in bulk in Google Sheets. Select the range, extend it with the shortcut, and insert checkboxes from the menu.